Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. To solve this problem, we will set up an equation. But before doing that, I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. Please check the playlist section in our YouTube channel. Look up for the topics, whichever the topic you want to excel your skills in mathematics. You will find a lot of SAT similar questions specifically that we just created for you. You can pause the videos, give it a try to solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answer. So that's been said, let's dive into this problem. In March, NYX Electronics sold 60% more laptops than the tablets. If NYX Electronics sold 800 laptops that month, how many tablets did they sell? So to solve this equation, I'd like to call some variables. For the number of laptops sold, I'd like to call it letter L for it. For the number of tablets that are sold, I like to call letter T for it. And let's set up the equation. Whichever sold more, the laptops, right? So the laptops, the letter L is equal to T much, the tablets amount, but 60% more than the tablets. So we need to figure it out what is 60% means. If you will simplify these zeros, this will become 6 over 10. 6 over 10 means 0.6 because we need to move decimal point from right to left just one place. So plus 0.6 T will be equals to L. So if you will simplify this, L is equals to 1T plus 0.6 T will give us 1.6 T. For the rest of the problem, I'd like to use different color pen. So since the 800 laptops sold, this data is given to us. So let's go ahead and substitute that value in the given part. So 1.6 T. To find the value of tablets, how many tablets they sold, we'll just divide both sides by 1.6. So this 1.6 and this 1.6 cancels each other out. During SAT, you will be allowed to use your calculators. You know that, right? So make sure you can use your calculator. So, and the Desmos is available during the test. 800 divided by 1.6 will give you 500 tablets. So then the correct answer for this question is the choice B. So this is all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or any comments to make, please feel free to leave it below. And thank you so much for watching it. See you next time. Bye-bye.